Alright, so this is the Hermes M5 Mechanical keyboard from Gamdias. I was really excited to get this keyboard in-house for one very specific reason, and that reason is strictly based off of aesthetics. I really love how unique this thing looks, but how does it perform? Is it actually worth picking up? Alright, so I've been using the Hermes M5 for the past month or so, and I've got to say, overall, pretty damn impressed. Loving that blue and white colorway. It's modern, but with some finesse, and you couple that with the brushed aluminum backplate, and this thing just screams, look at me. Alright, so I mentioned that aluminum backplate. It does a great job at adding some ruggedness to the keyboard. There's zero flex when typing, so that's good. Chamfered edges, so it's machined really well. The cable isn't braided though, which is a bit of a bummer. Would have been great to have a braided cable or even a detachable Type-C cable. Hopefully in the future though, this will all be addressed. So you're looking at ABS double shot keycaps here with a simple bold font. At first glance I thought I was fine with the font, but the more I looked at it, the less I liked it. Mainly talking about the secondary gray font and icons on the F keys. Just not really feeling that. Now the other thing here about the keycaps I don't like is that they're just not as stable as I would like them to be. There's a fair bit of wobble to them. It's not crazy, definitely much better than that Philips keyboard I reviewed last month, but it's just something to be aware of. Alright, so underneath those keycaps are Gamdias's blue switches with a life cycle of about 50 million. They feel slightly better than Cherry MX knockoffs, but not by much. Now, that's not a bad thing. I mean, they still are fantastic to type on. They're tactile and they sound great. Gaming, on the other hand, is it's so-so. I mean, it's never really been my thing, gaming on blue switches. However, you do get N key rollover on the fly macro recording and window key disable abilities, so it's definitely got some gamer features, if you will. If you like gaming on blue switches, then you'll be fine here with this. It's just not really my thing. RGB is absent here. You get one color, that's it. It's ice blue. And I'm fine with it. I think it complements the keyboard really nicely. They chose a great color. You can, however, customize the lighting effects out the gate. There's 6 effects on board that you can quickly swap through using the function and F keys. If you download the software, then you can further customize and go pretty crazy with the lighting effects. Pretty decent keyboard overall. I do wish they offered it in a 10 keyless variant with red switches. It would for sure be my main. Links in the description if you want to check this one out further. Drop a like, subscribe, and catch you guys in the next one.